Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the ASICS Runkeeper app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. ASICS Runkeeper is a popular fitness tracking app designed for runners and athletes of all levels. It offers GPS tracking, personalized training plans, goal setting, and performance analytics to help users monitor their progress and improve over time. The app also supports social sharing, challenges, and integrates with various wearable devices for seamless tracking. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate its intuitive interface, accurate GPS tracking, and customizable workouts. The app motivates runners through progress insights and community engagement. Many users also value the ability to sync data across devices and connect with fitness partners or groups. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While the basic features are free, access to premium training plans and advanced metrics requires a subscription, which may not fit every budget. Some users report occasional GPS inaccuracies or app crashes, and the variety of features can be overwhelming for beginners. Also, the effectiveness of training plans depends on user consistency and commitment. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the ASICS Runkeeper app may be worth using if you're a runner or fitness enthusiast looking for a comprehensive and user-friendly training companion. It excels in tracking accuracy, motivational tools, and community features. However, if you prefer free tools or simpler interfaces, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.